How to turn on vacation responder on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to enable vacation responder easy and fast in less than 1 minute on Gmail. So all what you have to do is go to Gmail. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner here and click on the settings option. Click on settings and click on see all settings here. Now all what you have to do on this page, you will find many options. Scroll down until you find vacation responder option. Now right here, click on vacation responder on, and here add your subject and your message, for example test, and now choose if you want only send a response to people in my contacts or not, then click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.